If you're not checking your oil, you're driving your engine straight to the junkyard. I'll show you a quick and easy way to check your oil like a pro, even if you've never popped your hood before. So let's keep your car running and your wallet happy. Hey, it's Alvin with Right Choice Auto Parts. Today, I'll walk you through every step you'll need to take to check your oil the right way and what to do if it's low or looks bad. No fancy tools needed. First safety tip. Park on level ground. Turn the engine off and wait for a few minutes so the oil drains back to the pan. Check your owner's manual for any model-specific advice. Open the hood. Locate the dipstick. It usually has a bright handle marked oil. Pull the dipstick all the way out. Wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel to get an accurate reading. Reinsert the dipstick into its tube and then pull it back out. Hold it sideways and look at where the oil stops in between the markers. Most have two markers or a cross-hatched area. If the oil is between the marks, you are good. If it's below the mark, you need oil. Look at the oil and feel it on the rag. Clean oil is amber or brown. Very dark black is not ideal but common between changes. If the oil looks milky or frothy, that can mean coolant contamination. If you see metal flakes or a gritty texture, get it checked by a mechanic. If the level is low, find the oil filter cap, which is sometimes on top of the engine. Use the grade specified in your owner's manual. Add small amounts, 1/4 of a quart at a time, then wait and recheck the dipstick. Do not overfill. Use a funnel to avoid spills. When the level is correct, wipe any spills, replace the dipstick, and screw the oil cap on tight. Close the hood, dispose of rags properly. If you are topping up often, you have a leak or burning oil. If the oil looks milky, stop driving and see a mechanic right away. If you overfill slightly, you will be okay. But if you're way over the mark, remove excess fluid. Check your oil once a month or before going on long trips. Add this to your car care routine. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe and grab a free car care one-on-one guide in the description below. Got questions? Drop them below. I will help.